These are great.
They are. We got to keep making these.
Absolutely. Maybe we should let everybody else have the recipe because they are so good.
Well, let's
Let's
have
do
a
it.
Halloweeni Tini.
Halloweeni coming right up.
Welcome to today's episode of Drunken Sailor, everyone. It's Halloween, just about here, 10 days. So with that, it's a festive time of year. We are going to celebrate by making what we call the Halloweenitini. It's a pretty simple drink once you get the glass made. So we'll start with the glass first. You take your Martini glass, you take some marshmallow cream, some fluff, and then you sprinkle Halloween sprinkles on it and just put it aside. And then comes the fun part. This is everything we're going to need for it. So we will start with a shaker glass. We're going to start, and everything is ones. 1 ounce of vanilla vodka. 1 ounce of amaretto. 1 ounce of white chocolate liqueur. And then 1 ounce, and some people like it just a little creamier, of half and half. So we'll sneak a little bit extra in there. So that's everything you put in there. Next, we're going to go with some crushed ice. And then we're going to give it a good shake. And now we're ready for our pour. The hardest part about this drink is waiting. As you've seen what's happened now, is the decoration has drizzled down the side, makes it like a really cool holiday drink. So taste it. If you enjoy it, don't forget you can find it on YouTube. You can find us on TikTok. YouTube is Drunken Sailor. TikTok is K Spinell. Enjoy it, drink responsibly, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy Halloween!